It has been the greatest honor and privilege to serve our nation in the federal judiciary for 43 years, 30 of those years on the Supreme Court, Kennedy, 81, said in a statement on Wednesday. Kennedy was nominated by President Ronald Reagan in 1987. During his 30 years on the Supreme Court, Kennedy became a deciding vote on some of the most controversial Supreme Court rulings, including the legalization of same-sex marriage in 2015, the Citizens United decision on campaign finance in 2010, and cases involving abortion rights. The cover story preceded Kennedy's role in striking down the heart of the 1965 Voting Rights Act, legalizing same-sex marriage and upholding Trump's travel ban, all of which were 5-4 decisions in which he sided with the majority. Efforts to fit Kennedy's major opinions into a clear, coherent philosophy have met with little success. He generally sides with the court's conservatives but is not tethered to any particular constitutional doctrine. There is no grand unified theory for Justice Kennedy's jurisprudence, says Viet Din, a leading conservative court watcher whose law partner Paul Clement argued the case against Obamacare. Liberals are relieved there's one Republican nominee on the court whom they can reach with their arguments. That year, Kennedy was also named to Time's list of the 100 most influential people in the world. At the time, Theodore B. Olson, who served as Solicitor General of the United States under President George W. Bush, wrote about Kennedy's indelible and enduring stamp on American life and institutions. So crucial is his vote that lawyers regularly pitch their arguments in close cases overtly to Justice Kennedy, Olson wrote. Read the rest of his write-up about Kennedy here. Supreme Court Associate Justice Anthony Kennedy may be the most influential person in American life today. His court routinely issues decisions affecting life, death, liberty, speech, religion, property, voting, war, treaties, and terrorism. Roughly 1/4 of those decisions, usually the big ones, are close calls, with the court dividing 5-4 and Justice Kennedy, 75, siding sometimes with his liberal colleagues and sometimes with the conservatives, nearly always being the decisive vote. He has been the swing vote in the court's abortion, death penalty, discrimination, campaign finance, and criminal procedure cases. One year, in fact, he was 24 for 24 in 5-4 cases. So crucial is his vote that lawyers regularly pitch their arguments in close cases overtly to Justice Kennedy.